Hello and welcome to haQ.
Hello and welcome to haQ. My name is Jakob, I'm your host, and you're watching a haQ episode. This is Novation's MiniNova. I absolutely love this little beast, and today I'm gonna show you how to create a pad-controlled dub delay for your vocals. I use something similar for a video that I made. It's called a Friday Night Dub Jam. It's this video where I'm just dubbing out a track. I'm using a vocoder patch I made on the MiniNova, and I'm playing a figure track to it. I'll put a link to the video down in the description, or if you want to go watch that first, you can always click this card. Before we do anything, if anyone watching this owns a MiniNova and thinks that my menu system looks a bit weird or things are arranged differently, then you're probably using an older version of the OS. You can update your MiniNova by going to the Novation page and download the new OS from there, and then you can continue with upgrading your firmware. So let's get to it. We want to get into the edit menu, and next we're going to go to the effects section. Alright, so the sound I got right now is basically an initialized patch that I've done nothing with, and I've just turned on the vocoder function.
Hello and welcome to attaQ. We are going to create a pad-controlled dub delay.
So nothing fancy, just a regular vocoder patch inside Novation's MiniNova. So we're inside the effects menu and we're gonna jump past the panning. Now the first thing I usually put in when I use delays and reverbs and equalizer. So we're gonna jump into this menu and we're gonna choose a equalizer. And I do that mainly because I like filtering off lower frequencies, because it can get quite rumbly with all those low frequencies fighting over the same space inside the delay tails and reverbs and stuff. So that's a bit of my workflow always when working with any type of delay or reverb. I'm gonna jump to the FX1 level and turn this all the way up. It's a 3-band equalizer, so every band has 2 controls, one for controlling the level and one for setting the frequency. Now the frequency spectrum are ranged from 0 to 107, so it doesn't really tell you what hertz it is, but what I usually do is I go to the level, I amp it up all the way, and then I go back to the frequency, and then I usually play my patch or do whatever, and then I sweep the frequency back and forth until I hear what it is I actually want to filter off. When I know which frequency I want to filter off, then I go back to the level and I turn it all the way down. So that's usually how I go about it. But I know now that I want to pull down the lowest bass frequencies all the way down. So the level goes down for the bass and also the bass frequency. Now we're gonna jump out of the equalizer menu and we're gonna jump to the next FX slot. Go inside there and choose the first delay. And then we're gonna go to the right. We are going to sync the delay time to the BPM. I like doing that because it makes stuff so much easier when you're performing live. So let's see here.
Hello.
Yeah, that sounds pretty good. And then we're going to jump one more step. This is the delay 1 feedback, and this is what we're going to control with this pad. That's what I did for my Friday Night Dub Jam patch. Every time I press this pad, I want the delay feedback to go to the maximum. Press the menu to jump out of the FX2 slot, and then press menu again, and then go to the left back to the modulation matrix. So enter that one, and we're going to use the first modulation slot. MiniNova is awesome because you actually have 20 modulation slots. And if we go back to slot number 1, which we're going to use right now, and go in there, this is source 1, source 2, and then we get to the anim select. And this selects the actual pad. So when I turn this to 1, it's gonna select pad number 1. And you have up to 8 pads, you can only see 2 now. And if you've got a MiniNova, you obviously know that. Okay, so now when I press this, I want the feedback of the delay to turn to the max. And we know it's the first delay because that's what we chose. All right, so we're gonna turn the depth all the way up. That means when we press this, then it's gonna increase whatever control we're controlling to the maximum. And the control we are going to choose in the destination. There's a lot of things in this menu, in the destination menu. You can modulate a load of stuff. Oh, I love the MiniNova so much. But we're going to choose delay number 1. So let's go to delay number 1. And there it is, delay number 1, feedback. Now when I press this pad, the feedback of delay 1 is going to max out.
Hello and welcome to haQ. Hello and welcome to haQ.
It's easy to get creative with the MiniNova and it's perfect for live performances. Hope you enjoyed this. If you want to watch more videos, there's loads of videos. I've made over 400 videos for this channel. I've also got my own Patreon account, so if you want to join up and support me in that way, I'm planning loads of fun stuff. You can find the link right here. You can also find it in the description. Thank you so much for watching. All ratings and comments are appreciated. As usual, I wish you a very productive week. Now go finger all of your stuff and have a lot of fun doing it.